Have you ever noticed something strange? Across the world, humans are drawn to sacred water, from the banks of Ganges in India to holy springs, ancient wells, and spiritual rivers across different cultures. Millions of people travel thousands of miles just to touch this water. But why? Is it just a tradition, or is there something deeper? For thousands of years, civilizations have believed that certain waters carry spiritual power. In Hindu traditions, these sacred places are called tirtha, a crossing point between the human world and the divine. People believe that when they bath in such water, they wash away not just dirt, but emotional pain, negativity, and spiritual burdens. And interestingly, this belief is not limited to one religion. Across cultures, sacred water appears again and again. There may actually be a powerful reason behind this. Water has always been the symbol of life. Our bodies are mostly made of water, and from the moment humans evolved, water meant survival. So when people stand near flowing water, their mind naturally relaxes. Now imagine combining that natural calm with prayer, faith, and spiritual intention. The result is a powerful emotional experience. That's why many people say they feel lighter, peaceful, even transformed after visiting sacred water. Ancient traditions also believe that water absorbs energy, and millions of people pray, meditate, and perform rituals near a river or spring for centuries. Those places become deeply meaningful. That's why sacred rivers, temple tanks, and holy springs often feel different. People describe a sense of silence, clarity, and connection, either spiritual or psychological, factors real for those who experience it. Imagine standing at sunrise beside a sacred river, the sound of flowing water, the chant of prayers, and the first rays of sunlight touching the surface. For many, the moment feels like reconnecting with something ancient inside themselves, something human have felt for thousands of years. So maybe the real mystery is not the water, maybe the mystery is us. Why do humans across every culture and every century keep returning to sacred water? Maybe deep down we all know something about it. What do you think? Have you ever felt peace near holy water? Tell me in the comment if you felt anything like that and subscribe my channel for more information like this. Thank you.